Need to sign a PDF quickly without printing, scanning, or leaving your browser? With PDF Editor Studio, you can create and place your signature directly onto any PDF document. Start by opening your PDF in the editor. From the Tools panel on the right, select Signatures. Choose the option to draw your signature, then use your mouse or trackpad to sign inside the signature box. You can adjust the line thickness and choose a different color to suit your document. Once your signature looks right, click Save and Add. Your signature is placed directly onto the PDF. Now simply drag it into position, resize it using the corner handles, or rotate it until it fits perfectly in the signature area. Need to sign another section or another page? Just add your saved signature again and place it wherever it's required. In this example, we can easily add signatures to multiple invoices without having to print a single page. Once your document is signed and ready, click Export to download your completed PDF. Sign invoices, contracts, forms, and approvals quickly and easily with PDF Editor Studio. Click the link in the description to download PDF Editor Studio from the Chrome Web Store and subscribe for more quick PDF tips.